Okay guys, on my very first video, I am uploading this video on YouTube and showing you the very first unboxing of HP laptop. This is 097TX model, and I am uploading this video because I didn't find any type of video of this laptop in YouTube. So here this is guys for you. I don't have any knife, so I am using it my hand. Yeah, this is for you. From Snapdeal, I have ordered it, and it cost me around 40,000. Okay, so not a bad deal because as compared to his specifications is concerned, I don't know how to apply it, but I'm trying my level best. Okay, side. It doesn't have a knife. Okay. It's come from Blue Dart. Okay, here it is. Because it has a Beats Audio certification, as you are seeing right now, and my cameraman works perfectly, as you are seeing. Got a Intel inside, i5 processor. It has. Cost me around. Okay, let's come to the specifications. It has a 4th generation Intel i5 processor, having a NVIDIA GeForce 2GB graphic cards on board, having a 1 TB hard drive, and yeah, 15.56. It has a LED screen. So it is for you guys. Kind God. Yeah, it's my baby. I have been waiting for this so long. So it is some charger, adapter. It is having a 50 to 60 hertz current voltage and pretty damn good, I think. Good. Okay, keep it tight for now. Yeah, this is battery. .8 volt on board. Nice battery. Build quality is too good, I think, as I have expected from HP. This is charger pin connector. Okay, inside for now. And yeah, it is. Anything else? Nothing. Packing is really good, I think. It's working. Oh, I've done a blunder, I think. This is nice. Really looks nice, I think. Try it for some time. Okay, here it is, the laptop. HP 097TX model it is. Contains a i5 processor, 1 TB terabyte hard drive. You are getting a user manual, it says. Okay. Having a window 8.1 and 2. This is nice, really nice. This is start screen window. As you are seeing on your screen, here is the quick tour and quick setup instruction. This is the laptop. Okay. So guys, how are you feeling right now? Because I am feeling awesome seeing this model. My god, looks damn pretty. You are seeing this laptop having a much dissipation area from here. Heats. Yeah, locks for battery. Having a battery. Since super DVD drive. It has contained 3.0 duo port, and yeah, here it is. Thunderbolt SD card reader. Yeah, microphone jack, SD card reader, and yeah, this is headphone combo jack, mic 2, LED indicator for power on off, and yeah, self diffusion is coming from HP Protection Smart. Looks damn pretty actually, I think. And the Packard logo here. My god, looks awesome when you actually open it. And I'm gonna open it for you guys. Yeah, this is laptop. It's damn pretty actually. Awesome looking. Full size chiclet keyboard here, and it has a Beats audio certification, as you are seeing right now on your screen. Intel iCore i5 processor, Nvidia GeForce graphic card on board, 2 GB graphic card it is, and HP Total Care logo here. Looks awesome. Yeah. Full size chiclet keyboard it is, and yeah, all it is. This is my very first video on YouTube, and yeah, it's all about unboxing of HP 097TX model.